Hey guys, Toy Sky here. Today, we're going to open a giant Fluttershy surprise egg. She is made of 100% Play-Doh and it took me about 6 hours to make. So, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Here are My Little Pony figures that I got so far. And we're going to get a lot more from this giant egg to add to the collection. And now for the hardest part, removing Fluttershy from the giant egg. Let's start with her hair. More hair over here. Her tail. Now, her wings. Her legs. Her cutie mark. I got rid of some of her body. Let me show you guys the eyes. Now her head. You can see her nose right here. We're just left with a giant blue Play-Doh egg. Let's give this egg a shake. I can't hear much. I mean, there's a lot of toys. There's a lot of stuff in here. As you can see, there's a mystery pop, a Disney Figaro, a dog tag. Let's start with this one. Here's a My Little Pony Mystery Minis by Funko. These are all the ones you can get. There's some glow-in-the-dark one here. I got Derby, and you can see her cutie mark right here. Her yellow tail, yellow hair, and her yellow eyes. She is actually blue, but if you look at this box right here, most of the ponies are black, except these two glow-in-the-dark one. Let's put her right here. Let's check out this one next. Here is a slap band of Fluttershy. Here, Fluttershy is flying. And a slap band is a bracelet that you just take out your wrist, slap it, and become a bracelet. See that? Let's do it on this hand. Maybe this way is better. I'm gonna wear this for maybe a couple of toys. Let's check out this one next. This is a Care Bears collectible figure. There's 8 to collect. I got Share Bear, and she's purple. And you can see on her stomach, she has 2 lollipops. She loves to share. Let's put her next to Twilight Sparkle. Let's check out this next. Here is a My Little Pony Fashems Series 2. There's 6 to collect. I got Rarity again. This is my second Rarity Fashem. You guys think she's cute? Can't really smash with these like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Mashem or the Venture Mashem. They're much harder, but these ones look much better. Let's put her next to herself. Let's check out this one next. Here is a Fluttershy Grab and Go play pack. These are the stickers that I got. Let's use this one. It's Princess Celestia and Twilight Sparkle. And put it right here. How about this one with Fluttershy? Let's find another Fluttershy. Put her right here. Why don't we get a Rainbow Dash? I also got 4 crayons so I can use on this book. Here you can see Fluttershy. And the end. Let's put this on the left side of the egg. Let's check out this next. Here is My Little Pony rings and sticker earrings. There's 7, 1 for each day. So on Monday, we have Pinkie Pie. These are pretty small. See, it doesn't fit me. Maybe on my pinky. And on Tuesday, you get Applejack. Wednesday, Fluttershy. And then Rainbow Dash on Thursday. Friday, you get Rarity. On Saturday, Princess Twilight Sparkle. And on Sunday, do you guys know her name? She has like pink and purple hair. Let's put some of the rings right here. And the rest over here. There's still so much surprises left. Here is a Moshi Monster Originals. I opened a few of this before. I think this is my 3rd one. There's always 2 figures. I got a collector card of Snookums, and it's number 10. This secret code is probably really old, so I'm not sure it still works. My first Moshi monster is Mini Band. This looks like the Elizabeth Tower. You can see there's a clock right here. This is my 2nd mini band. Let's put it over here. The 2nd Moshi monster that I got is this blue kangaroo with boxing gloves, and I think this is his kid. I do not know his name, so if you guys know his name, let me know below. Let's put it next to Mini Band. Let's check out this one. Here is a Fluttershy figure, and it comes with a charm. Here's the checklist of all the ponies toys out there. This Fluttershy has a lot of features that make her a little different. You can see her cutie mark. There's 8 butterflies and says there's 3. And she's wearing a butterfly necklace. I think it's a butterfly. And can you guys see? One of her eyes is different. This eye right here has a butterfly on it. Her hair is kind of cool. You can probably play with it, maybe comb it. Let's put her up here. Here is a Shopkins Season 2 basket. There's 2 Shopkins from this basket. I think one of them went inside the basket. Our first Shopkin. I got an ultra rare, and it's honey. Yummy. our second Shopkin. Do you guys know the name of this one? I think these are chocolate ice cream and whipped cream on top and maybe a cherry right there. So if you guys know the name of this one, let me know below. Let's put next to honey. Let's check out this pop. Here is a Fluttershy pop, number 2. These are all the ones from the same series. I think if I get maybe 3 more, I will complete the pop series for this one. Here's the pop figure of Fluttershy. And as you can see, her head is much bigger than regular pony with black eyes. Her hair is very detailed, pink hair, also pink tail. Check out her cutie mark. Let's put Fluttershy up here. I'm going to remove the Fluttershy slap band now. Let's put it right here. Let's see how many surprises we have left. One, 2, 3, and 4. Here's My Little Pony dog tag. There's 1 dog tag, a tattoo, and a decal. There's 33 dog tags to collect. Let me show you the checklist really fast. There's 25 here and more over here. I also got this sticker. I'm not sure the name of this pony. Let's put next to Fluttershy. I got a tattoo of Princess Cadence. Let's put it right here. And here's the dog tag. And this one is Trixie. It's number 9. Let's put it right here. Let's check out this one. Here is a Figaro keyring of Disney Series 2. These are all the ones you can get. There's 9 to collect. And it's Olaf. Isn't he cool? I'm a snowman. This is my first Figaro keyring of Disney, so I'll be opening more of this in my future videos. So a keyring, you can hang it on your backpack, or if you have keys, this will be really, really cool. Show off to all your friends. Let's put Olaf next to Twilight Sparkle. Here is a 3D eraser. It also includes a play scene. This is really, really cool because you can bring this to school, and when you make a mistake with your pencil, bust it out and erase it with Fluttershy. Here's a really small poster. It's not even big as the coloring book. So here is an eraser of Fluttershy. Kinda cool. So if I were to make a mistake when I write, like this one, Fluttershy. So let's use the eraser, see if it works. So now you can't see anymore because it's erased. Let's rewrite Fluttershy. So here is Fluttershy, spelled correctly. Let's put the eraser next to Olaf. So there's just one more surprise left to go. This is My Little Pony blind bag, and it's wave number 12. There's 24 to collect. These are all 24 ponies that you can get, and I got Applejack. It's friendly and sweet. Here you can see her cutie mark. There's 3 apples. She has yellow hair and her body's orange. Do you guys want me to make an Applejack surprise egg? Or a Pinkie Pie giant surprise egg? Applejack or Pinkie Pie? Let me know below. Let's put Pinkie Pie back, and let's put Applejack right here. So that's all the surprises we have today. Let me know which of these is your favorite. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this and you would like to see more giant surprise eggs, please go to my YouTube channel. And remember to click the subscribe button so I can let you guys know exactly when I have a new video up. I'm Toy Scouter, and I'm out.